In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Cursor on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you need to go to any browser, and in the browser, you need to search for cursor.com, then press enter, and here you can see cursor.com, and here you will see option download for Windows. So we need to click here, and it will start downloading a exe file, and it will take a minute. Right now, I will just fast forward the video. And here you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file, and it will show you something like this. So you need to accept the agreement, then click on next. Then here you need to choose where you want to install Cursor. So I'll keep the default location, then click on next, then click here next again, and here I'm going to create a desktop icon. So I'll select this on, then click on next and click here install. So this will start installing Cursor. And here you can see Cursor installation is complete, and it also created a icon over here as well. So if I now just click on finish, it will open Cursor over here. So here first of all we need to sign up or login. So I'm going to click here sign up, and I'm going to click here continue to sign in. So here I'm going to choose a Gmail account. I'll choose this Gmail. You can choose any Gmail. Click here continue, and here you can see start your pro plan. So I'm going to skip it for now and click here continue, continue again, yes, login, and there you can see it's done. Feel free to return to Cursor. So if I just minimize this, it will show you a interface. So here you can see if you have VS Code installed, you can import the setting from VS Code, but I'll just keep it default, the Cursor default setting. Then I'm going to click here continue, then click here continue, and it's done. So right now we can just open any folder, create any folder. Let's just create a simple folder over here. This is the folder name will be cursor dash project. Let's select this, click here select folder, and this folder will open over here. So here you can see, so it is over here. So I can just drag it. I mean, let me just move it to the left side. So there you can see, let me make it bigger. So here we have a chat option. We have our empty folder. So let's say I want to build a simple portfolio website for Lego. Then let's also mention using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I can just click here, and here you can see agent mode, plan mode. I can create a plan, and I can also ask a question. So I just keep it simple. I'll just directly tell agent mode to write the code for us. So I'll just click here. And right now in Cursor, you can open multiple agent at once. There you can see it's writing code for us. So here you can see it created some files over here. So let me just go to the project location. Here you can see index.html. So let's just open this, and there you can see it created a beautiful website over here. So yeah, this is how we can install Cursor on Windows, and this is how we can use it. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.